Welcome to NAFECO Vendor Spotlight. We're here with Dave McClaskey, the Essentials Category Sales Manager for Lion. Welcome, Dave. Can you tell us a little bit about Lion?
Sure. We are a family-owned PPE manufacturer. We're over 120 years old. We've got fourth-generation family leadership. We manufacture not only structural PPE, but we have an essentials line, including helmets, boots, gloves, and hoods. We also offer digital training products for the fire service, as well as we have a clean and repair service for the turnout gear and the PPE through our Total Care division.
I see you've brought a structural firefighting glove, and you got a brand new one. Can you tell us about this?
We do. It's called the V-Force. V-Force is brand new to our glove line that we offer. It is a three-dimensional design, so it's got the fourchets and the fingers in this design for better ergonomics and dexterity. It's got a goat hide outer shell with top grain goat hide in between and the fourchets of the fingers. We've put a Gore moisture barrier into the glove along with the Covanex lining system, which gives you great thermal protection, but it also allows for great dexterity. And with the way that we bond those two layers together, the inner liner and the outer shell, with our pull tab system, you don't have to worry about liner pull out when you're donning the glove and your hand might be wet. It's easy to don and doff in both conditions.
I know this is going to protect our customers because they've been used to using the V-Force turnout gear. So that's very similar, right?
Absolutely, absolutely. And again, we use that same philosophy as far as the pattern design to give you that optimum ergonomics and comfort.
I see you've also got a brand new helmet that's just come out. Can you tell us about that helmet?
Sure. It's called the American Honor. It's a modern, low-profile, lightweight fiberglass helmet. It fits into our lineup along with the Legend helmet that we offer, which is a traditional style. Just like with the Legend, this helmet offers the end user the ability to give themselves that customized, perfect fit. So you don't have to settle for just your helmet fitting you good enough, right? I can give you the capability, if it's not quite to what you want it to be or not as comfortable as you want it to be, to make a series of adjustments to give you that perfect fit. Obviously, we have the ratchet in there to help with the circumference, but we also have a series of circumference adjustments built into the headband, giving you that ability to more macro tune it. We also give you the ability to adjust the height, lower or higher on your head, depending on where you want it to sit. And last and most importantly, we even giving you an adjustable center of gravity pad. So now I can make sure I'm placing that at the proper spot on my head to give me that perfect balance, which then transitions into the optimum support.
These are two categories for the essentials. Can you tell us other essential products?
Yeah, we have a complete essentials line. Again, we obviously offer a complete glove structural line as well as structural fire helmets. But in addition to that, we have structural hoods. Most of our hoods right now are particulate blocking hoods, but we have some options there, as well as a complete line of structural fire boots.
That's fantastic. We've got a great giveaway for the American Honor helmet, so go to nafeco.com/lion to register to win. Thank you for being here, Dave.
Thank you for the opportunity.